Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got some projects to share with you. This is going to be for Bex. She's having a giveaway that's running currently at the moment. I think up to like the 5th, I want to say, of December, but I will leave everything in the description down below. Leave the link to that video of a giveaway and her channel down below. So yeah, she's got a giveaway running at the moment where she would like you to send in a embellishment box. I think that was the only requirement. Yeah, but like I said, I'll leave everything down below so you can follow the rules. I think you have to be over 18 and like I said, you've got to send it to her before that date. But yeah, so I'm going to share with you what I've made her. I did have, I try and save, like upcycle some boxes that I either like order things in or like shoe boxes and things like that, so I can send it out in that. So that's what I've done for this box. So this is like a shoe box that I've kind of altered, jazzed up a little to send what I've made her in. So I just covered it in this tissue paper, and then I've used this cut part sentiment that says, "A friend is one who overlooks your broken fence and admires the flowers in your garden." And I just thought that's really cute and sweet. And so yeah, and so obviously all her bits and bobs are packed in there. So I'm just going to move this to one side and I'll share what I've made her. So if I share the embellishment box, because I presume that's the only requirement for this giveaway. So this is what I've made for her. The papers and the like cut part pieces, I used a collection from the range. I don't actually have it to hand. But I will try and link that down below, or I will try and put an image of the collection on the screen somewhere here. Yeah, because I've not got it to hand, but these are the pieces from that. I think it was a Do Crafts kind of collection, but yeah, like I said, I will leave that either down below or on the screen. These flowers were from the collection. This sentiment, "Make It Happen." Again, I've put that on some foam and pop that up. I've used some different papers here, the glittery one and the holographic one. These were both from Hobbycraft. I've just layered that up, and this paper was from that collection. And then inside I've just put a load of different bits and bobs, some wooden hearts, yeah, just variety of different charms and brads and pom-poms and beads and things, butterflies, bows, charms, some clips in there, and these kind of like blings. I've got holes there so you can make them into charms. So yeah, a variety of things. And then on the inside I've decorated, it says, "A beautiful thing is never perfect." And I've just again layered some papers and stuff and put that sentiment on, again from the same collection. So that's that one. Then I did her, oh actually I think she asked for a sequin mix as well. That might be another one of her requirements. So I've just had this little pot. I thought it's really cute to alter. I can't remember what I got in this pot now and that. I think it might be in some beads or something that I bought, and they came in this, and I just thought I'd yeah, repurpose this, cut out some circles, layered them up in different papers. And again, this is a sentiment from that collection. I just put a sequin heart on there, and I have taped it, so hopefully that shouldn't come out and in the box when obviously in the post. So that's that one. I've made this cute little card. It's the first time I'm actually making a little card before, and it's just a sweet little card. I can just write a little message in there. Obviously I haven't done so yet. Again, out of the papers from that collection, and it says, "Be the happiest you can be." And again, some glittered cardstock on there. So that's the card I'm going to send to her. Then crocheted this like little bag in this really soft ball that I had in my stash, added a bow. She can repurpose these, and she can use this ribbon for something else if she doesn't want to, you know, use it on here. And then inside of this little bag, there's a variety of different colours. I've just crocheted her some of these hearts. So she's got some in this sort of pink. She's got some in this really gorgeous lemon. I thought this would be nice for Easter. She can put these away, you know, until then, or, you know, she can use them beforehand, but I just thought they'd be nice for Easter. These are quite nice for Valentine's. There's two different shades of pink there. You've got some green, and then some red, and then this is kind of like a bluey lilac-y kind of colour. It looks more blue actually on through the camera, but yeah, it's kind of like a lilac-y. So yeah, so I've done those, and again they go in this little bag. I will put that all back how I had it. I'll just move those to one side, guys. And then I have made crocheted this little bag for her. I thought it was quite cute, little pink bag. I've put this sewn this like button, attached it there, and then inside I've crocheted, there is different colours in here. I think that's just the colours. So I've crocheted her some green, some red, some pink, and again this lilac-y blue colour. Some little bows. I thought they were really cute. Again, she can add these to her projects, or she can alter them. She can put like little bling in the middle, or she could even attach a little hoop and make them as little charms if she wanted to, on dangles and things. Yeah, there's many uses for these. Yeah, so I've made a variety of those bows, so, and they fit nicely in this little, like I said, this little bag I've crocheted her, and I will put those all back nicely in a minute. I'll just move those to one side. And then the last few bits I've kind of gifted her, not necessarily like kind of go with this sort of theme. So these I've shared these previously, and I thought I'd gift her some of those. So you know, she can use these over Christmas time. I just thought that's quite nice. She'll have some pre-made gift tags already done for her. She can use those, or she can put them away for next year if she's already got those. You know, she's already done it for this year. And then these paper clips, I thought these were really cute. Again, for like spring, summer, that kind of theme. So you've got strawberry, tomato, ladybug, ladybird, and snail, lemon, toadstool. Again, she can add these to projects and things, so I'm going to gift her those. And then the last thing I altered was this pen. I know she likes like purples and lilacs, that kind of sort of colours is one of her requirements. I think she did list actually of what colours she wanted as well, and I know teal was one of those colours and stuff, but I know she likes purples and that sort of colours as well, and pinks. So yeah, so I'm going to gift her, altered this pen I picked up from Amazon, and I just put the beads on, and this little charm, and this little tassel charm as well. And I thought that's quite a nice gift. I'm just going to pop that in the box. And then the last thing, I'm just going to move these over. The last thing I made for her was this. I do apologise, I can't remember the name of the lady that did the tutorial on this, but I will try and find it and leave the link down below. She does a tutorial on this, and she explains it so well. It's so easy to follow. So this is her sort of idea on this. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Again, I used the papers. This shiny one from Hobbycraft. These again from that collection. I made it all, the base is white cardstock. I made a shaker on the front. I just again tied a bow with this organza ribbon, but again, if she doesn't want this bow on there, she could repurpose this bow for something else. Did a shaker on the front, little sequins. It's got some hearts in there and stuff. Did this frame, used these cut parts from the collection. So yeah, so that's the front, and then it opens like this, and then these will all come, these are just stuck with some glue dots, but she can reuse these, so she can take this off and it's a tag. She can write her message on the back, and then she can use this kind of album for something else. So that can easily be removed. And then in here I've made this rosette, again something that can easily be removed. But yeah, just thought it's quite nice rosette. She can give this on a present or whatever she wants to repurpose this for. It's got a nice glittered heart. I've just layered it up. I've used some foam tape to sort of make it quite dimensional. So that opens like that. She's got two little cards here. I had fun making the other card, so I tried making some more like little tinier ones. So I've made these two little cards. Again, she can take these, remove these off, and she can give these out. And this one that says thank you. I thought it was a really cute little card. And she can write message in those. And then this opens like this. And then this side, again, is a tag. Like I said, she can remove this. They all remove easily like this, so she can remove, she can put a photo there if she wanted to, and then she can reuse this tag. It's just got a bit of tape there which she can remove, but yeah, so it just sticks like that. And then in here I've put some of these crocheted white flowers, and I've done her white because these are great if you have the sprays and you can dye these. They dye really easily, so she can do these whatever colour she wants to. I've also left the centre empty, so then she can add a bead in there or a bling, or you know, she could put a charm or something, whatever she wants to do in there. Yeah, so that's those. In the back here I've put some cards as well, again, that she can use on different projects. I'll just take one out, but they all have different sentiments on the front. This one says, start each day like it's your birthday. Thank you for being the reason I smile. And they're just little postcards. You know, she can send these out, or she can make it into an album and reuse these however she wants. So, they just slot in there, and then these crochet flowers just go in there, and then that goes like that, and then this opens, and then here I've done again 2 tags that she can reuse on gifts, and like I said, they come off easily, so I just thought they were really cute. And then I've made her some in, it's the only, it's more of a lilac than a purple, but it's the only colour I had to hand. So I hope she likes these ones, because I know this is one of her favourite colours. So yeah, so I made her some of those in that. And then they just go in there. And then this folds like that, that folds like that. And then that goes on top, and then I will tie this back around neatly. Yeah, I hope she likes these that I'm going to send out. And that's it, guys. That's what I've made her. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and take care, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.